Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. FunFax. Today, we're exploring the most powerful resources in the universe. From materials that can fuel stars to elements essential for life itself, we're counting down the top 10 most powerful resources that exist in space. And trust me, these aren't just from science fiction. These resources are real, and scientists believe they could change everything. So, let's get started. At number 10, we have something you might take for granted, ice. But this isn't just the frozen water in your freezer. This is cosmic ice found on moons like Europa, Jupiter's moon, and Enceladus, Saturn's moon. Water ice is one of the most important resources because it can be broken down into hydrogen and oxygen, which are key for breathable air and rocket fuel. It could help future colonies survive on other planets and power space travel by creating fuel right on site. Water is the ultimate life support system in space exploration. Coming in at number 9 is helium-3, a rare isotope found on the moon and in trace amounts here on Earth. Helium-3 is considered one of the best potential fuels for nuclear fusion, an energy source that could provide nearly limitless power with virtually no harmful waste. The moon is rich in helium-3 because it hasn't had an atmosphere to protect it from solar wind, which deposits this valuable isotope. If we could mine it, helium-3 could power cities, spacecraft, and even entire planets. Number 8 is carbon, specifically found on the planet 55 Cancri E. This planet, known as the Diamond Planet, is believed to contain massive amounts of carbon, which under the right conditions, forms diamonds. Carbon is the foundation of life and one of the most versatile elements. On Earth, we use carbon to create everything from fuels to diamonds, but imagine having an entire planet made of carbon-rich resources. It could revolutionize industries and be a game changer for off-world colonization. At number 7, we've got ammonia, which is abundant on Saturn's moon, Titan. Ammonia is a key ingredient in many industrial processes, and it could be an important resource for future colonies because it can be used to make fertilizer and fuel. Titan also has lakes of hydrocarbons, but ammonia adds another layer of potential. It's a vital chemical for agriculture, making ammonia essential for sustaining life on another planet. It could support large-scale farming operations in space. Methane comes in at number 6. Triton, Neptune's moon, and Titan are both rich in methane. On Earth, we use methane for heating, electricity, and fuel. Out in space, methane could become a crucial resource for rocket fuel, making travel between planets more sustainable. It's a versatile fuel that could enable long-term space missions, especially as we look toward permanent colonies on other planets. At number 5 is deuterium, a heavy isotope of hydrogen that's abundant in the atmospheres of gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn. Deuterium is used in nuclear fusion reactors on Earth, and in space, it could be used to power massive spacecraft or even entire space stations. Deuterium could be the key to unlocking the immense energy potential of fusion, creating a nearly unlimited power source for humanity's future in space. Number 4 on our list is a group of resources, rare earth elements. These are the metals we use in electronics like smartphones and computers, and they're found in large quantities in the asteroid belt. Asteroids contain elements like neodymium, europium, and yttrium, which are crucial for advanced technology. Mining rare earth elements from asteroids could fuel the next industrial revolution, giving us access to materials essential for building advanced electronics and spacecraft. At number 3, we have hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe. Jupiter's atmosphere is full of hydrogen, which could be harvested for fuel. Hydrogen is already used on Earth to power rockets, and in space it's essential for both fuel and creating water through the process of electrolysis. Hydrogen's versatility as a fuel and its abundance in the universe make it an essential resource for future space travel and colonization. At number 2, we have one of the most exotic and powerful resources in the universe, antimatter. Antimatter is the mirror image of matter, and when it comes into contact with regular matter, it releases an enormous amount of energy. Even just a tiny amount of antimatter could power entire cities or propel spacecraft to near-light speed. Antimatter could revolutionize energy production and space travel. However, producing and storing antimatter is incredibly difficult, and we've only been able to create tiny amounts in labs. But if we could harness it, antimatter would be the most powerful fuel source in the universe. And taking the top spot at number 1 is dark matter. Now, this might sound mysterious because it's not fully understood, but scientists believe that dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe. While we can't see it directly, we know it's there because it affects the movement of galaxies. If we could figure out how to manipulate or harness dark matter, it could completely change our understanding of the universe, offering new ways to travel through space or even manipulate gravity. Dark matter is the ultimate cosmic wildcard. It could be the most powerful resource in existence if we ever figure out how to use it. So, there you have it, the top 10 most powerful resources in the universe. From diamonds in space to the mysteries of dark matter, these resources could reshape the future of humanity. Which resource do you think will have the biggest impact? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mr. FunFax, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content from the universe. Until next time, keep exploring.